sure.
What did we get for 3 and 4?
So 3. So it's got to be, because the last one, gender and voting preferences are independent, and then gender and voting preferences are not independent. So that's just what you do for every single one of these. You just have two things that they are independent and then they're not independent. And then for 4, it's the last one, the number of rows minus 1 times the number of columns minus 1.
Okay. Thank you.
But that all gets figured out in SPSS.
Yeah, I like it when all I have to do is plug it into SPSS and it does the work for me.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. I'm not looking forward to the class I have to take next semester, which is research methods, which is statistics put in real life, real life.
So is that like Psych 302?
I believe so. I'm not quite sure, to be honest.
Okay, let's see, because that's what I'm taking is Psych 302. Yep. So. But I was just reading something today. I was reading a whole nother random book, and that wasn't related to school, and it gave some research statistics, and it was showing what P was, and oh my gosh, I thought before, if I would have read that stuff, I would have had no idea. So that has really, this class has opened my eyes to a lot of things, and I always now am thinking statistically, okay, so I wonder what the chances are of that. I wonder what people would say about that. I wonder. It's kind of addictive a little bit.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. Right now it's kicking my butt and I don't like it, but I'm slowly getting it. Like, I finally passed my last exam, which sounds so bad, but I'm just so happy that I passed.
Oh, good for you.
Oh, man. How was the temple? That's good. Awa. Awa.
There's 7 chapters left of them.
Okay, cool. All right, so for question 8, did you get .000?
Let me look. I think so.
Because the next number is 3, and I'm like, nah, that can't be rounded up, so...
Oh, 8. Yes, 0. Well,
Okay.
I put 0 and it changed it, so.
Maybe I'm just going crazy. Did we miss 6 and 7?
No. So 6 is...
The first one?
First one, yes, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell. And then 7 is
16.204.
16 point what?
204.
Okay.
Okay, so question 9, I got the first one.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. And then let me switch to the other. Okay. Alrighty, let's do.
Is it tonight?
No.
I'm sorry.
To be honest, I was full.
Hey, I think we should call your mom and see if the kids can sleep over tomorrow. See if I think my mom is gonna be. I need to call my mom and see Like I trust the ones. Yeah.
So location goes on rows, reason goes on column.
Yeah, but you can just use the data will populate the file. That one you don't have to type it in.
Oh no, I know. I
Oh.
got. I was just doing it.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you were on the other thing. Okay.
Ah, dang. No.
Because I did type it in once, so.
Oh
And it
no.
was a big pain.
Yeah, I can imagine. All right, there we go. Okay.
But I think this was I think this was a homework question or something. I did it for something where it didn't have the data file so readily accessible.
Yeah, for a homework question, I have to type it in. So. All right, let's see. So the conditions for the conducting a tri-square test for independence are satisfied. Yes, I want to say. Is that true for 10?
Well, as long as it's
There's no no ones that are less than 5, correct?
Yeah, because it just says they're. Well, that's what I thought it was, because I'm not seeing anything that says that it's not a random sample. So.
Okay. All right. Let's see. For the degrees of freedom, I got 2.
Uh-oh.
I got 8.
I got 8. For 11?
Oh, sorry. Oops, sorry. On the wrong one. There we go.
Ah! Okay.
It's 8, sorry.
Okay. Oh, and see, we're just almost finished here.
Oh, man. Okay. So value, I got 7.436.
Oh, the p-value, yeah.
No, the X.
Wait.
And then the test statistic is 0.49.
So where did you? Okay, so that's the asymptotic significance. That's the X test, and not the p-value.
That's the p. No, that's the.
Oh, okay.
Now wait, did I put those in wrong?
So the X squared test statistic, I got 7.436, and then the whatever, I got 0.490.
Wait. Okay, so 12 is 7.436.
Because doesn't the one that says sig, isn't that always the one that we use as the p-value that we've been using all this time? Why do you think it's the other way around?
I don't think she thinks it's the other way around. I think we just worded it funny.
Yeah. So for question 12, I have 7.436. For question 13, I have 0.490.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So all right. So then I put those in differently.
I think you just switched them. Because you did it right the first time, Shauna.
Okay. All right. So maybe I just put them in the wrong order, because that looks a lot more like a test statistic than
right.
The value.
So 7.436. So maybe I just put them in the wrong spots, because they're in the chart in the right place, right?
Yes.
Where it says sig and all that. So
yes.
I just put it wrong. Okay.
You just put it in the wrong questions.
Okay.
There is insufficient evidence to suggest. So the second one?
I thought it was.
So it's definitely insufficient evidence.
Right.
Because you failed to reject.
Right. But
I
thought it was. Just a second, I'm reading the question. I thought it was the last one, but I'm rereading the question.
Motivation to visit a chiropractor is.
Yeah, I think it's the last one.
Okay, let's see. There is not enough evidence to suggest that people in the United States go to the chiropractor more than people in other countries.
What was the...
So now, is that originally what they were looking for? Because I
That's what
thought it was just saying that if people live in different places. Well, let me read those directions again. Let's see.
We will review reasons for seeking chiropractic care.
All right, so here's the research question. Do people in Europe, Australia, and the United States seek chiropractic care for the same reasons?
It's not the last one.
I don't think it's the last one.
I said
Because it's got to have that thing, too, where it says there is insufficient evidence.
It also has to have non-independent or independent, because that's what you're trying to figure out.
Okay.
Or at least that's what I thought. Yay, we got 100.
Okay, well, that was certainly much less of an ordeal tonight.
Oh my goodness, last week was ridiculous. It was just so ridiculous. I wonder how many groups did that.
yeah, we were up so late.
I asked Laura, and she said she hadn't heard of anybody else doing it, but I don't know.
Oh, just all of us.
So it can't just be us, though, because it wasn't clear.
All right, well, I'm going to say goodnight then.
All right, so we'll see you next week before the
Exam.
exam. That sounds
Jessica, what did you get for question 6?
For 6?
Yeah.
I put the first one.
Yeah, that's what I did too.
Oh, okay. I see what I did wrong. All right, thanks.
All right, good night.
All right, good night.
Good night.
All right, good night.
Let me call my mom and see what she's thinking. But if she's in Lethbridge tomorrow, I just think it's best if we just ask your mom.
Would you say your family friends, or would you want to stay here?
I was gonna offer her the house too, but I doubt she'll want to spend the night because she's an open house the next day. So I bet she'll go home tomorrow.
Okay, that's all.
And then I was thinking we could probably spend the night at her house.
Because I'm thinking, should you just go with her?
I guess we could just do that. I don't mind not giving your mom the option.